Hi children, we are discussing about the multiplication. Before session I explained about multiplication of 2-digit number with 1-digit number and 3-digit number with 1-digit number, 4-digit number with 1-digit number. I explained this class. I explained about the multiplication of 3-digit number with 1-digit number to the with carry. How to, before class I explained about without carrying. This now I will explain about with carry. See children, suppose for example 457 into 2. 457 into 2. How to do the multiplication? How to do the multiplication with the 3-digit number into 1-digit number? See, one by step I will say, one step I will say. See, arrange the number as it will be column method. Okay, arrange the numbers in column. Means what? See here, 457 into 2. We have to write like this. Okay, next it will be, first step we have to write, what we have to write? Whatever we gave horizontal, now we arrange in vertical method, means column method. Okay, next one, second step, multiplication we have to start from ones place onwards. In this, which is the ones place? 7 is a ones place. Okay, now with 2 table we have to multiply ones place. Okay, see, 2 table required. 2 7s are how much? 14. 2 7s are 14. See children, in this 14, this is ones place, this is, see, 1 tens place is there, plus 4 ones place is there. Okay, 2 digits we got. Okay, now in the 2 digits, first place we will call, it will be ones place, second digit we will call tens place. See, 1 tens are there, 4 ones are there. Then only we multiply which place? Ones place. That's why ones place number we have to write here. Okay, next which number is there? Tens place number. This tens place we have to write. Which is the tens place? 5 is the tens place. This tens place number we have to carry forward to the before number. We will say it will be easy, carry forward to the before number. Okay children, see, next one, ones place is completed. Next which place we have to multiply? Is tens place we have to multiply. Tens place is a what? See here, 2. Okay, tens place is 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. See, 2 5s are 10. We are multiplying to 457 into 2. We are multiplying with 2 into tens place. But here carry 1 is there. This carry, whenever we are multiplying these two, then add. Carry is always compulsory, we have to add. Okay, the 10 plus 1, it will be 11. In the 11s, how many are there? Okay, 1 is 100, 1 tens. We are multiplying tens now. Then first place we have to go to tens. This is goes to hundreds place. This already added. Just put it, cut it. Okay, this tens place 1 is there. Next 100 place also it will be easy. 1. Sorry, we have to keep it in the carry to the 100th place. Next 2 to tens place 1. Next which place is there? 100th place is there. 100th place is what? That it will be easy. 4. We have to see here. 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. We have to do multiplication this like this. Okay. In this first morning class I explained. This first one we will say is multiplicand. This one we will call is multiplier. Next last one we will say it will be is a product. Next last one we will call it will be is a product. Like this way we have to do multiplication with the carrying to the numbers. Isn't it? Next one. Same way I will explain one more that's in this example with the 4-digit number. Here 3-digit number I explained. Now I explain about the 4-digit number. See children, next 4-digit number, how to do multiplication with the 4-digit number. See here, first one, our example 1374 into 4. 1374 into 4. 1374, in that 1374, how many digits are there? 4 digits are there. 4 digits, which table we are required now? That it will be is a 4th table. The what we have to do first step, this whatever he gave, we have to write in column or vertically we have to write. Okay, which table required now here? 4 table. Okay children, 4 table we have to write. See here, the first way from where we have to start the multiplication. Ones place onwards we have to do multiplication. First place is what in this? 4. Then 4 is a ones place. This is 7 is a tens place. 3 is a hundreds place. And 1 is a thousands place. Okay, now go to, we will start the multiplication. 4 4 ja 16. 16 is a 2-digit number. In the 16, 1 tens are there, 6 ones are there. 1 tens are there, 6 ones are there. We multiplied ones place. This ones place we can write down here. This tens is carry forward to the before number. Before number is what? This is the tens place. This tens I will carry to the up on the 7 arrow. Next one, ones place completed. Now we have to do which one? Tens place. Tens place is a 7. Tens place is a 7. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. See here, this 7 is having 1 carry. Then add it. It will be become a 29. It is we multiplied which place? Tens place. Then first digit it will be become a 9 is a tens. 9 tens are there. 2 is what? Hundreds. In this 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1 carry 29. 9 is in tens place. 2 is in hundreds place. Because of we multiplied here tens place. This tens place we can write down. This is 2 is carry forward to the hundreds place number. Okay, the next one, tens place completed, just put it in, cut it. Then 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 is carry, how much is there? 2. 12 plus 2, it will be say 14. In this 14, 1 is 4 is a which place we multiplied? Hundreds place. 4 is a hundreds place. Then 1 is a thousands place. Okay, 4 is a 100. This 100 plus we can same we can write. Then 1 is goes to is carry forward to the thousands place. Okay, now it will be 4 1s are 4. 4 plus carry 1. 1000 place is having 1 carry. Then that should be we are adding. It will be become a 5. How much should be? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How much should be? We have to 5,000. 5,496. See here, 5,496. This answer what we will call? It will be is a product. Answer should be is a product. 5,496. 5,496. This is the way we have to do the multiplication with carrying. Okay children, see these steps one by one. If you are not understanding, one more time you have to, you can repeat it. You have to see, listen you will get easily multiplication. Before that we have to know the every table in mathematics. Every table you have to learn, you will get multiplication easily. What I told, one by one steps I explained. By the same way you have to learn the multiplication, you will get easily. Thank you children.